Namaskar, this is Dr. P.S. Sagar. I'm an expert in acupuncture and traditional medicine. So today my awareness topic is in body pains, how to control any kind of pain in your body through Sujok acupressure. I will teach you this format of treatment. So why I want to teach this topic, because nowadays lot of people are immediately, they are not able to bear that pain. There are mild headache or mild body pain through stress or strain. They are immediately going to a doctor and immediately taking a painkiller, which is harming them. If your house is burning, you should not shut your eyes. You should solve the issue. So instead of solving the issue, you are just ignoring the issue. That is the reason you are building up new problems. Because if you start taking painkillers for silly things, what happens? Your kidney, your organs, that will be definitely burdened and it will be damaged, and gradually you will develop new issues. So for that reason, I want to share this topic today. And even nowadays, due to COVID issues, it is not safe to visit any kind of hospital. In chronic issues, definitely you should visit a hospital. In emergency issue, you should definitely. For silly reasons, I don't think you should go visit a hospital and get the medicine prescribed for painkillers or something like that. So instead of painkillers, you can just settle with acupressure. With this knowledge, you can not only help yourself, you can help your family, you can help your neighbors who is struggling with any kind of body pains. It's an instant relief. Within 7 to 10 seconds, you can control any kind of body pain. So I'm not teaching this for chronic disease, because any disease, when it has crossed third stage, it will be definitely chronic, and this acupressure will help you, but it won't cure your issue. For first stage or second stage or mild issues, definitely it will help you, because it can control your pain and your body will recover itself in 1 or 2 days if you take proper rest. So since we do not have much patience nowadays, we just pop up pills and damage our body in different ways. So let me show you so how to identify the correct point to control your pain. If you are having a headache, you have to see, is it a frontal headache, it's an occipital headache. So where exactly the headache pain is located. So if your pain is in the head, so imagine you take your left hand like this, and imagine that this is your face. So this is your face, this is your nose, this is your mouth. So this is your head. So if you are having an occipital headache, frontal headache, so this is the exact location. If it is side, then you have to get to the sides. If it is left side, you have to get to the left side. So just imagine holographically, you imagine yourself on this finger. So this is your neck, your long neck, and your back side of the neck. Okay. So if you are having a headache, so simply at the back of this pen, you can just press it like this. Give a deep press, which you can tolerate. At least if you are having a weighing machine, you can check at least 2 kgs pressure. So that much pressure has to be applied with a pen, back side of pen. I am not having the pointer pen. So you can just, from the blunt side, you can just give constant pressure. If it is side, imagine yourself in the right side, so you have to press here. If it is on the left side, do it like this. So give constant pressure, at least 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute you can give pressure. Immediately from 7 seconds onwards, your pain starts reducing. Some will get results within 7 seconds also. So any facial pain, accordingly, you have to imagine holographically. If it is on your right cheek, some people might have trigeminal neuralgia pain or facial pain. So you can even relieve that also, right? Most of them suffer from cervical pain. Many people, through even IT professionals or driving, many issues are there. So this is your neck. Imagine this is your neck. This is the cervical area. So you can locate, you can just point up like this. right? So this is your neck region. So imagine if you are having this right side of the neck or left side of the neck or the central neck. So this is the central neck, this is the right side of your neck, this is your left side of the neck. So everything I am telling you on the left hand, so please only treat yourself on the left hand, right? So I am having a sprain in my neck on the right side, so this might be the area. So what you have to do with the blunt side, you have to check like this. It is called PSP method, press, scan. So some areas you will feel lot of pain, and you will see, notice that your neck congestion pain is gradually reducing if you are pressuring on that exact point. So just you need to press, scan, and if you got the point where exactly you need to lower, I mean you are having too much pain in that point, that's the exact point, because when you have the congestion, then only you will notice pain here, or else you won't find any kind of extraordinary pains in that location. So you just need to scan like this, and you need to locate that point, and you have to give pulse. You can rotate in that area, you can pulse that area, right? So gradually you'll notice at least 30 seconds to 1 minute you can do that pressure sequence, and 7 to 10 seconds you start seeing the difference, right? Same way, if you are having the left side of the neck, you can do that same thing, right? Now most of you have the back pain. So imagine yourself, you have a back sprain. It might be sides, it might be the center. So look at yourself, this middle finger and ring finger in between, you can put a straight line like this till end, right? So you can put a straight line like this. So this is your low back, this area is your low back, this is your middle back, so this is your middle back, and this is your cervical area, the neck area. So this is your middle area and this is your low back, right? So if you are having a low backache, take the blunt object, what I told you, you have to press, scan, and wherever you find pain, you have to mark that area, and you have to do the pulse job, right? You need to stimulate it, rotate it, or do like this, okay? If it is on the left side or right side, so you have to imagine, you have to stimulate the sides. So these are the sides. So you have to see, if it is the left side, then you have to stimulate here. If it is the right side, you have to stimulate here. So kindly check. You will find some pain, extraordinary pain beyond the limit. You have to locate that point. You have to stimulate that point. So you will see immediately relief in the your pain, right? So this is for exclusively for back pain. If you are having shoulder pain, if you are having a shoulder blade pain, so some might have even frozen shoulder. So don't imagine yourself, if you are having a frozen shoulder, this will definitely reduce pain, but don't think this will solve your problem. This is just doing the painkiller job. It will only reduce the pain. I am purely advising for first stage or second stage or mild sprains, where if you take rest for 2-3 days, it should disappear. If it is not disappearing, you have to confirm, you have to get to the doctor, right? Next, if it is a shoulder pain, imagine yourself again holographically. This is your right leg and this is your left leg. See like this. Imagine yourself. This is my right leg, this is my left leg. This is my right hand and this is my left hand. Right? So what I've told, shoulder pain. I have a right shoulder pain. So if this is your right hand, this is the shoulder joint. So you have to just again PSP method, you have to search for the trigger area. So somewhere you find some triggers, you find some extraordinary pain beyond the natural. So you have to pinpoint, you have to mark that area, and you have to regularly stimulate that area. Within 1 minute you will reduce that pain. Same way, if you have elbow pain or a wrist pain, this is the elbow joint, this is the wrist joint. Same way you have to trace the trigger area, you have to mark it, you have to stimulate it, right? If you are having a finger pain also, imagine these are the finger area. So if you are having any finger pain, you can just some pinpointed areas, you can just press it like this. So immediately you will reduce that. Even finger pain, if you are having any finger pain also, you will immediately reduce it. Same thing on the left hand. If I have a shoulder blade pain on my left, so this little finger you have to check. You have to check the triggers in this joint, or if you have a elbow pain, you have to check the triggers, and if you are having a wrist joint pain, here. And similar way, if this is the exo area and this is the endo area, the inner side. If you are having any pain related to this muscle or here, so even you have to just shift your hand like this and check from this side, right? Now most of them have leg pains, due to sciatica or even piles related pain also a lot of people are suffering. So if you are having a piles pain, so I've already told you, imagine these two as your legs. This is your right leg, this is your left leg. So obviously, where is your buttock area? So this is the piles region. If you are having piles pain, so this is the exact location in between, and you have to pressure this area in the similar way. So immediately you'll notice your piles pain is gradually reducing, right? Same way, sciatica, imagine these two are your buttocks. This is your right buttock, this is your left buttock. Some might be having sciatica pain also. So even you can locate, you can trace out PSP method. You have to press, scan and pulse. You have to locate the trigger area and you have to give continuous pulse, right? So some might have cramps. You might be having some cramps in this muscles. So where you have to, these are the muscles. So imagine this is your thigh, these are your this thigh, this area muscles. So you just need to press, scan, pulse. And if you are having a heel pain, this is the back side. So this is your heel. So this is your right heel, this is your left heel. This is your right heel, this is your left heel. So most of them suffering from osteophyte growth in their heels, so they will be having too much pain in their heels. So this will definitely reduce that pain. And if you are having a knee joint pain, proper knee joint pain, so this is your knee, this is your right knee, this is your left knee. So this is the center of the knee, this is the eye of the knee, patella region. This is the sides of your knee, the upper side, lower side. So you have to first trace out, you have to check yourself where exactly you are feeling the pain while walking. So if you are having pain on the patella or the sides or the inner side, then the same thing you have to do. If it is the inner side, you have to check the inner side. You have to do the PSP method, press scan method. You have to press, you have to scan, you will find some triggers. You have to mark those triggers. Wherever you feel the trigger, you have to mark those triggers. And at least 30 seconds to 1 minute, you have to rub it or stimulate it. Stimulate the trigger point. Okay, so gradually you will reduce your knee pain. In the same way, in the left leg, if you are having a knee pain, you have to do the same, repeat the same process, check the triggers, find the trigger and stimulate the trigger regularly. So any pain, if it is acute, you'll see immediate relief. Within 30 seconds you completely get relieved, or 7 to 30 seconds you will get relief. And you have to repeat it if the pain is coming again and again. And you should make sure you should take adequate rest, because even though you take painkiller, that will give you a few hours job. 5 to 6 hours it will get you relief. If it is a severe pain, again it come back. So it is better to take rest, or you can even apply some hot or cold packs. You can apply some Ayurvedic, some pain balms or oils. You can just do that fermentation therapies, which we do age-old treatments. we used to apply salt, heated salt or hot packs, hot water bags. So you have to do that fermentation also, so that the local lesion, local inflammation gets diluted as soon as possible, gets repaired as soon as possible. So in that way you can clear the congestions as soon as possible. For acute pains it works a miracle, need not depend on any kind of drug, because body has still has control to cure your problem. You just only need to take rest and support it, that's it. If you are using our own body's way of mechanism of dealing the pain, controlling the pain, this is the best way. You can apply Sujok acupressure. Sujok acupressure works like miracle. And I hope everyone enjoyed this entire episode. Definitely you share this as much as possible, because every person needs to know. We need not follow reactive healthcare, we have to follow a proactive healthcare in the society right now, because there is no future if you follow a reactive model. You have to prevent, you have to be disease free, you have to be as natural as possible, you have to improve your immunity, and you have to control your non-communicable diseases, because 70% diseases are non-communicable diseases. I mean, your diet, your lifestyle, your stress is damaging you, so you have to change your diet, lifestyle and all. And 20% infectious diseases are killing people. Whoever is not doing their diet, lifestyle or stress properly, definitely their immunity will be disturbed. So 90% diseases are in your hands. You just need to follow. I mean, lot of programs will be upcoming in the future. I will be explaining you how to prevent different types of diseases, and we want to educate a proactive healthcare system. And for proactive healthcare system, your health is in your hands, not in any kind of doctors or corporate hospitals. So definitely follow us, I mean, for future episodes, and kindly share this to everyone, so that everyone will will get benefited and their health remains as it should be. Thank you.